Hi Gemini, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Gemini for the mid month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. What are the messages for Gemini? Gemini, you could be dealing with a Libra person, somebody who is well versed with their thoughts and they know exactly what they want. They know how to be just when it comes to people, things, situations. You might be getting some kind of closure when it comes to love. Somebody wants to offer you a new beginning in love. New beginnings are actually on the horizon. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. A lot of work is required, a lot of effort is required from your side, Gemini. You've got the Queen of Cups as well. What I also feel here is you are a bit apprehensive in giving in to this love because of whatever's happened with you in the recent past. There are a lot of ups and downs when it comes to your emotions. You're feeling that turmoil, you're feeling as if you're not in power when it comes to your emotions. But rest assured, Gemini, the person who's trying to offer you this new beginning could be a Taurus, somebody who's an authority of their own life, somebody who can guide you in the right direction whenever you feel you've lost your way, Gemini. And it could be possible because as a sign you signify, you are identified with duality and conflicting emotions. A part of you might say yes, a part of you might say no, not really. And that can be a little tricky, Gemini. And even if the sign of Gemini falls into any other placement of your chart, whether it's your Venus or your Sun or your Moon or your Rising, it's always going to signify duality. So there will always be that yes and no, sitting on the fence kind of mindset that you carry with yourself. And if your Venus is in Gemini, then I guess you need to be a little more careful before you get into romantic relationships, because sometimes when we are so conflicted we become impulsive and we get into things that fall apart quickly. So we don't want that, Gemini, so be careful. Though I feel and see that everything is quite smooth over here, I would just warn you for anything that could go wrong. I'm not saying something will go wrong. Also, this is a general reading, so if it doesn't resonate with you, if whatever I'm saying makes absolutely no sense to you, you can just switch it off right now. But you've got the Lovers card, and that is a card of Gemini. Could be dealing with a Libra, a Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, somebody you're going to meet at work. Some of you might be starting some new work, joining a new company or something. 9, 6, 3, 4 are important. Even 10 and 1 are important for you, Gemini. Beware of people who try to just take and not give anything in return. If you are overburdened in a relationship, you need to step back. You need to see if this is truly worth it, if the person that you're dealing with truly deserves for you to give in that extra. Just make sure whatever you're doing, Gemini, is in your highest good. Wow, you've got the Lovers card twice, new love, with a passionate person coming your way, Gemini. This union is spiritual, it's financially, mentally, emotionally quite fulfilling. But I see some kind of apprehension, the past holding you back, Gemini. But I think we're going to move quickly and get into this. Just be careful. Just think every action through before you take it. Now let's see some extra messages for you, Gemini. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. So take them however they resonate with you. Okay then. It's not the right time. Blessed change. A major life change brings you great blessings. New beginnings, as I had mentioned in the start of this reading. Definite new beginnings, Gemini. I'm happy for you. Make your own path, pave it, be the leader of your life. And don't just follow blindly. If you have a dream in mind, pave a path to realize it and bring it to reality, Gemini, because you've got this. You're the leader of your own life. You're the leader of everything that you wanted. And whatever you want is already yours. You just need to go out there and grab it. Okay? Intuition. Number 36 could be important for some of you. Never underestimate the power of your intuition, Gemini. If something is telling, if your inner self is telling you to not do something or to go ahead with something, trust it. Your commitment is being tested. Hold your vision. Don't let pride get in your way. A win-win outcome is forecast and prosperity lies ahead. Signs Libra, Leo, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be important. Another Gemini could be important. Keep an eye out for them, guys. My happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. Have faith, Gemini. Happiness is your birthright, Gemini. Don't give it up for anybody. I'd like to dedicate this beautiful rose quartz to you, Gemini, so that you are filled in with the love that you truly deserve. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Gemini. Thank you for watching. Bye.